Hi, my name's Sean Eberhard with GoingLowBook.com. I'm here with my buddy Mason. He was actually in the Olympics, almost played snowboarding half pipe, great athlete. He's having a little problems with his chipping. I'm going to cut to some photos, kind of lecture off there. Mason, you got anything to say?
Yeah, just gonna improve my game. Sean's the guy, so.
All right, he's having a little problems hitting them thin at times. So the video is going to kind of cut in and out with me lecturing on some still shot. So you can hear this is Mason's usual setup with his chipping stance before my lesson. The width of his stance is pretty good. He's got the ball kind of off the right side. His weight is equally distributed between the right and the left foot, about 50-50. He has a slight forward press on his setup here, but not all that much. Now, Mason's biggest problem, what he says, is he hits the ball sometimes a little too high on his chips, and sometimes he blades them right over the green. He's got a 50-degree wedge right here. So I told him to kind of get himself in the position that what he does when he does that. And this is kind of what he says he does. He loses his posture, which can cause either that high chip or that bladed chip. Now, what we did in our lesson today, I'm going to show you another picture, is the setup that we changed. So you can see here what I changed with him is a lot more of a forward press to keep that ball lower. And you can see here now his weight is definitely into that left side. We didn't change his stance too much. And we didn't change a whole lot of what he was doing in the swing. All we did was forward press it about a fist to 2 fists more forward to de-loft that 50-degree more into like a 9-iron. And then by placing that weight more on his left side, he is not going to come up on it like this move, because with your weight equally distributed 50-50, you can kind of lean back on it on the way through, whereas you see with right here, you just kind of place your weight on that side, your left side, about 80%, and keep it through the entire swing. I'm going to show you a video of him chipping afterwards with this setup. Unfortunately, I did not get a video before we made these changes, but I want you to notice when I cut to the video of him, it's supposed to be slow motion, but it didn't end up being. I hit record too late. Is you can see the triangle that forms from his right shoulder to his left, all the way down to his arms and then into his hands. There's a little triangle right there. And what I wanted him to focus on was keeping that triangle consistent throughout the entire chip shot and not breaking the wrist, and just kind of chipping with the shoulders, arms, and hands in that triangle position with the weight always 80% on the left side with the forward press. And then that should eliminate the move that he's demonstrating right here that he usually does. And it was actually very effective. He got his ball down nice and rolling. It wasn't too high in the air, and he said he felt a lot better contact on it. So I'm going to show you that video right now.